Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're going to be cutting the cord on those massive broadcast trucks.
Yeah, we're diving into a fully portable rig.
We are. We're looking at the Datavideo GO-2REPLAY Studio Complete Replay Kit 2. Our mission here is to really unpack how this system makes instant replay. Well, instant.
Exactly. It's for when you need that high-quality clip for a scoreboard, for a live stream, or even just for archival. No waiting around.
And that's really the hook, isn't it? It's built for speed. Okay, so let's start with, the physical package. It's all built into this rolling hard case, the HC800R. It's water, dust resistant. This isn't just a suitcase full of gear.
No, not at all. It's a mobile studio. And inside, it's a dedicated rack-mountable system. The absolute core of it is that you get two HDR10 instant replay processors.
Two of them. Why is that so important?
Well, you can record your main program feed on one, and maybe an isolated camera on the second, like a tight shot on the goalie, or you just have instant backup. Redundancy.
That's huge for a live event. And controlling it all is the RMC400 replay controller. We know it has a T-bar and a jog shuttle, but what does that actually do for the operator?
Okay, so that's the professional touch right there. The T-bar lets you manually control the playback speed. You can smoothly ramp into slow motion.
So you're not just hitting a button.
You're not just hitting a button.
Yeah.
And the jog shuttle wheel lets you find the exact frame, forwards, backwards.
Huh.
It's that precision that separates a professional broadcast from, a basic setup.
Right. It's real professional tooling. So for anyone listening who's maybe budgeting this out, the price right now is $6,299. That comes with the factory warranty and free shipping in the U.S.
It's a serious investment.
It is. So
Yeah.
where does that money really show up in the performance specs?
You see it in the backbone. It handles both HD and SD standards, from 720p all the way to 1080p, even the cinematic 24 frame rates. But the critical part for this kind of work is the connectivity.
The inputs and outputs.
Professional HDSD SDI, not HDMI.
Hold on, why is that so important? I mean, couldn't I just use HDMI cables and save a bit of cash?
You could, but HDMI is not built for long cable runs. It degrades. SDI is the robust industry standard. It can run across a whole stadium without signal loss, which is, essential when a dropped signal ruins the whole broadcast.
Okay, so reliability. Got it. What about the quality of the actual file it's recording? I see uncompressed 10-bit 4.2.2.
That's all about data. 10-bit 4.2.2 means you're capturing the maximum amount of color information. The footage isn't just for live playback. It's immediately ready for serious color grading in post-production.
So the files themselves are high-value assets.
Absolutely. It records to a MOV file with NTFS support. And that NTFS part is key, so you don't have that 4 GB file limit chopping up your recording in the middle of an event.
A practical lifesaver. Okay, let's get back to the instant part. The spec sheet mentions a 4 GB buffer memory. How does that actually work?
That buffer is everything. It's constantly recording the last 30 seconds of video from your program out, or any camera feed you assign to it.
It's always on.
Always on. So the moment something happens, the operator doesn't have to wait for anything to render or save. They just hit a button on the RMC400, and that clip is queued up instantly from the buffer. It removes all the delay.
So when you put it all together, it's not just about having the individual parts, it's how that HDR10 recorder, which is over $1,500 on its own, is perfectly paired with that dedicated RMC400 controller.
Precisely. It's purpose-built for speed. You're buying operational synergy in a box. Yeah. But that does bring up a final question for you, the producer who might be looking at this.
Go on.
Our sources also mentioned there's a GO-1REPLAY Studio, a Kit 1, and it costs $4,199. That's a difference of over $2,000.
A significant jump.
It is. So the question to mull over is this. When you're thinking about your specific live event needs, what feature in this Kit 2, maybe it's that second recorder, that redundancy justifies that price jump for your production?